Or I asked him something, tinanong ko si VJ about something na common sense yung sagot for him. But for me, gusto ko siya tanungin kasi I wanted to make sure kung ano yung gagawin niya, para yun din yung gagawin ko, hindi kami magkokontrahan. But to him, it felt like I was being sarcastic kasi, seryoso ba na hindi mo alam yung sagot doon? Parang ganon.
So, like, ngayon na-insulto ka, na parang...
Oo, na-insulto ako kasi parang yung the way he answered me, Mars, parang, di ganito. Sabi ko, relax, I'm just asking. Tapos saka na parang, really? Tapos nung when we spoke about it that night, nasabi ko, I was really asking because I didn't know what to do. So naman parang akala ko you were being sarcastic kasi parang imposible naman that you didn't know what to do sa part na yun. I'm like, to you. But to me, I really didn't know what to do.
Nakaka-relate ako sa'yo.
Diba? Tsaka don't assume.
Namin.
Tsaka don't assume na yung naisip mo, yun din yung naisip ko,
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
So yung mga little things like that. So I apologize for the way my words probably